Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of a semicircle. Okay, area and perimeter of a semicircle. Children, the diameter divides a circle into two halves such that they are equal in area. These two halves are called the semicircles. Okay. The area of a semicircle is half of the area of a circle. Let me explain this. Children, in this circle, this is the center of the circle, center, and this line is the diameter. Diameter is a line segment which joins any two points on a circle and which passes through the center of a circle. Okay. The diameter divides this circle into two halves. Two halves. 1, 2. Two halves. This diameter divides this circle into two halves. Okay. Such that they are equal in area. The area of two halves are equal. These two halves are two semicircles. Semicircle, half of a circle. Okay. Semicircle means half of a circle. So its area is half of the area of a circle. Half of a area of a circle. As you already learned, the area of a circle is pi r square. So, area of a semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. Half of a circle. Okay. So, children, the diameter, this is the diameter. This diameter divides a circle into two halves. Two halves. These two halves are referred to as the semicircles. Okay. These semicircles have equal area. Semicircle, half of a circle. So its area is equal to half of the area of a circle. Half of the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. So, area of a semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. Okay. Circle area 2 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്കൊരു semicircle area കിട്ടും. Okay. Next is perimeter. As you already learned, perimeter is the distance around a shape. Distance around a shape is known as perimeter of a shape. Okay. So children, here this is a semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. Diameter and half of circumference of a circle. Half of circumference of a circle. Okay. So children, perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. As you already learned this, 2 pi r or pi d. Okay. Perimeter of a semicircle is half of the circumference, that is this portion, half of the circumference plus d, diameter. Perimeter of any shape is the distance around the shape. Okay. So, perimeter of a semicircle is half of the circumference plus diameter. That is 2 pi r by 2. That is half of the circumference plus diameter. Half of a circumference plus diameter. We can cancel these two. So, pi r plus 2r. 2r is diameter. Pi r plus 2r. Okay. Children, perimeter of a semicircle is half of the circumference plus diameter. As you already learned, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Okay. So, half of 2 pi r. Pi r. Half of 2 pi r is pi r plus diameter d. We can change d as 2 into radius, that is 2r. So, pi r plus 2r, or there is one more formula. The circumference is pi d. If the diameter is given, we can use this formula pi d. So, half of pi d is pi d by 2 plus diameter d. Pi d by 2 plus d. So, if the diameter is given, we can apply this formula, or if the radius is given, we can use this formula pi r plus 2r. Pi r is half of 2 pi r plus 2r, that is diameter. Okay. You can use any of these formulas. So, children, the diameter of a circle divides the circle into two halves such that they are equal in area. These two halves are referred to as the semicircles. These two halves. Okay. The area of a semicircle is half of the area of a circle. As the area of a circle is pi r square, then area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. Okay. Then the perimeter of a semicircle is the sum of the half of the circumference of the circle and diameter. If the diameter is given, you can use this formula pi d by 2, that is half of the circumference plus diameter. If the radius is given, you can use this formula pi r plus 2r. Pi r is half of 2 pi r plus 2r, 2 into radius. Okay. Let me explain few examples. Children, in the given figure, the diameter is given, that is 16 centimeter. We have to work out the perimeter and area. Okay. Perimeter and area. Here, children, the diameter d is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay. So, you can use this formula perimeter is equal to pi d by 2 plus d. Pi d by 2 plus d. Substitute the values. Pi 3.14 into 16 divided by 2 plus 60. Okay. We can cancel this 2 and 16. 2 into 1, 2. 2 8s are 16. So, 3.14 into 8 plus 16. 3.14 into 8 plus 16. 3.14 into 8 is 25.12. 25.12 plus 16 is equal to 41.12 centimeter. 41.12 centimeter. This is the circumference, perimeter of this semicircle. Okay. Here the diameter is given, that is 16 centimeter. So we can use this formula, perimeter is equal to pi d by 2 plus d. Substitute the values, pi 3.14, d 16. So 3.14 into 16 divided by 2 plus 60. We can divide 16 by 2, that is 8. 3.14 into 8 plus 16. 3.14 into 8 is 25.12 plus 16, that is 41.12 centimeter. Okay. Since the given measure is in centimeter. Next we are finding the area of this semicircle. Okay. Children, here D is equal to 16 centimeter. So first you find the radius, that is D by 2, D divided by 2, diameter divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2, 8. So area is equal to pi r square by 2, pi r square divided by 2. Okay. Substitute the values, 3.14 into 8 squared divided by 2, that is 3.14 into 8 into 8 divided by 2. Okay, 3.14 into 8 into 8 divided by 2. 3.14 into 8 into 8 is 200.96 divided by 2. 200 divided by 2. 200.96 divided by 2, which is equal to 100.48 centimeter squared. This is area of this semicircle. Okay. Children, here the diameter is given, that is 16 centimeter. First you find the radius, that is diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 into r square. R squared means r into r. So 8 squared means 8 into 8. So 3.14 into 8 into 8 divided by 2. 3.14 into 8 into 8 is equal to 200.96 divided by 2 is 100.48 centimeter square. Okay. Let me explain one more example. Here the radius is given, that is 6.5 meter. 6.5 meter. Radius is given, so you can use this formula. Perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2r. Perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Okay. So 3.14 into 6.5 plus 2 into 6.5. We are substituting the values. 3.14 into 6.5, that is radius, plus 2 into radius, 2 into 6.5. 3.14 into 6.5 is 20.410 plus 6.5 into 2 is 13.0. Okay. Add these two numbers, then our answer is 33.410 meter, since the radius is in meter. Okay. So children, here the radius is given. So we are using the formula pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. And substitute the given radius in this formula. Okay. Next we are going to find the area. Area is pi r square by 2. Area is pi r square by 2. So 3.14 into 6.5 squared divided by 2. That is 3.14 into 6.5 into 6.5 divided by 2. Okay. 3.14 into 6.5 into 6.5 divided by 2, which is equal to 132.6650 divided by 2. 3.14 into 6.5 into 6.5 is equal to 132.6650 divided by 2. So our answer is 66.3325 meters square. This is the area of this semicircle. 66.3325 meters square, since the radius is in meter. Okay. Children, do the calculations carefully. Children, watch this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. Children, if you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children.